How many miles?
I'm just getting everybody in the camera. Sign the waiver later.
Hello there. Hello. Hi, camera. Hi, Cam. Camera. Hi, camera.
Did we lose some bodies? Not all of us. We gained some people, lost some people.
Cameron's camera ahead of us. Say that fast.
Huh?
Cameron's camera.
That was none of that.
I'll take 250 more.
2/3 so far
How about
today.
3?
You gotta edit the video so we don't have the sound on. I still gotta get.
Yeah, you're going to be the audio guy.
Yeah, you gotta edit all the shit we said about you when we didn't have the camera.
Oh yeah, Rasta John said.
Can't wait.
Rasta John said, hey.
Doesn't run right. Taking that bike shop in town. Nah, go to Jacksonville. We all did.
Rasta.
None of you bought the bikes from me, so.
I bought a bike from you. I got one from you. I bought a bike from you
Hi.
this summer.
I paid $99 for this one, and in 40 miles, I'll be at 2,000 miles on the frame.
Wow, that's good for that bike.
That's 3 months for me.
Dana? Rasta John said,
That's
where's
the thing
Dana?
about living out here.
Rasta John.
Trailing place.
Yeah.
You did see him?
Yeah, he actually said, where's Dana?
Right.
I said, he's back there somewhere.
It's been less than a year to get
Yeah, I think I got 5,000 for the year now.
But he actually said, where's Dana?
I got
That was
9
funny.
more miles
In the
and
same
I'll be
spot,
back
too.
home, so
In the same spot.
it's mostly downhill from
Yeah, he's
here.
trying to do the right thing. That guy with the long dread.